There are various methods which may be used to select the hole locations. I want to drill the holes through the top of this part. When completed, there will be 5/16 24 tapped holes. To start them, I'll use a 3/8 high-speed steel spot drill in the drilling cycle. From the point/circle toolpaths, I'll select Drill, and the Drilled Point Manager selection window will open. I'll scroll down and turn on Mask on Arc. Then select this arc, and all the arcs this size will be selected. Next, I'll select the Points tab so I can see the drilling order. I'll select point 1, the first hole drilled. It shows up with the ball inside it here. This is not the order I would like the holes drilled in, so I'll scroll down, select the sorting options, and change to this one. I'll accept this selection. Verify that point 7 is the first one, and it is. I'll scroll back down. If I select the pencil icon, the selected hole will be deleted. I'll select point 3. Selecting the green plus sign will allow me to change any of the drilling values for that hole. I'll close the window. Selecting this will allow me to rename the point. I'll press the escape key to exit this window and not rename the point. I'll switch back to the selection tab, right click here and clear my selections. Then scroll down and uncheck Mask on Arc. When selecting drill points, I can also select each hole one at a time. And their center will be the drilling location. To see this, I'll switch back to the Points tab. Each time I select a point, its center will be highlighted. I'll accept my selections, and the Toolpath window will open up, showing me that I've selected 7 arcs and that there are 7 points.